So I'm experiencing a problem with my garage door. It is going really slow, and this morning when I tried to leave, it wouldn't open. It would light up, but it would not open at all. And I just opened it, and it was just very, very slow. So it's probably going to do it when I try to close it here. See, look how slow it is. Like, could that be the motor being bad? I mean, it used to be hell of a lot faster. Because it didn't do it last year in the wintertime. And now all of a sudden it's gotten cold that it's going to want to do it. See, look how slow this is. And it sounds like to me it's got to be the motor in it that's going bad. So if anybody has anything, please let me know.